Now let's talk about few interesting things. Okay. So this is the plan we assigned yesterday, right?
Yes.
Now I would like to hide the employee cost.
Okay.
Like to hide the employee cost. How we will do? Any guess?
Yes, we have to go to the
Coverage types.
coverage types, and we need to uncheck that box.
Perfect. So this question sometimes looks very simple, but still we'll get.
Yeah.
Maintain, benefit, coverage types. Retirement section. Display employee cost on check. To decide hours. Right. Go to worker. Benefits. We can see employer cost, but not employee cost. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll test this plan by try to assign to an employee whose age is 60 plus. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll find one employee. Shanti Singh. $40. I will just overwrite 40 years to 60 plus. Okay. 1992 plus 20%, 72. $67 years, man.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now let's proceed. Let's try to assign this plan to worker. Benefits, change benefits. Okay. Now when I select the date, the plan should not be visible. If it is visible, the rule has been failed. Empty.
Yeah.
Okay, it's empty, which means the rule is working, man. Perfectly, it's working. Excellent. Now what I do is just for double check, the person information change whatever I assigned to her, I will remove that value. I mean, I'm gonna resend that value.
So if here we edited the personal information, right? So the business process has triggered here.
For changing personal information, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Because date of birth is part of personal information, no?
Yes.
So
okay, the approval goes to whom exactly? Like
normally date of birth changes. Some people may not require approval. Some people may configure approval. For in our scenario, there is no approval for this.
Okay.
So that's the reason it's triggered. If you want to, go on.
I'm sorry.
No.
Okay. So
Yeah.
In this case, now we have changed the personal information, right? Not the employee. So employee
Oh.
did, or we in this case? I mean, the person who is handling this account now. I'm confused.
No,
Okay.
no. Go on, please. Repeat again. Sorry.
So the job, the personal details, just we have changed, right?
Okay.
So now the change is made by Ashanti Singh or somebody else?
Made by someone else, not
Okay.
Ashanti Singh.
Okay. So that's what, like without Ashanti Singh's permission,
We
so
have
the
changed the
approval,
data for
yes.
test. Yes, yes. So good point. So sometimes, as you mentioned, if HR advisor is doing the change, we don't need,
Any approvals.
right? If employee doing the change, definitely we need approvals.
Okay. Yeah, that's what my question was. Clear.
Oh, perfect. Now I have removed the date of birth, or now she is less than 60 years, correct? Let's do a test for this employee. Now the plan should be available. Benefits. The plan should be available now. Perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent. Now let's talk about cross-plan dependency. Okay,
Sure.
cross-plan dependency. For that, we need two plans. We'll take our RBS 41K. Then we'll also take one additional benefit plan. Right. Okay. Now, what we're talking is cross-plan dependency. What is my cross-plan dependency? Sometimes some requirements, we have to allow the person to select only either of these plans. Only one plan can be select. Sometimes if you select this plan, it's mandatory to select this plan also. If we have such requirements, we can create cross-plan dependencies. Okay, let's see how to create these cross-plan dependencies. Just a second. Now, access a task, create cross-plan dependency. Create cross-plan enroll prerequisites, sorry. Effective from 1/1/2022. Plan relationship name. Okay. And description I will select. some kind of help. Okay. Now we are not restricting the benefit group. Benefit group is by default USA salary. We can assign or we can ignore. Primary plan. Primary plan from retirements we will select our RBS. Secondary plan is from our okay, how I copy and paste it there. AMD commit right now. Now, this is the name we gave free text field. This is the description we have given. So some people who are once read they can see this and they will be aware what exactly we are doing. Now, now the rule here. Here we have few options. May elect one or more secondary plan. Must elect at least one secondary plan. Only one primary or secondary plan be elected. I'm repeating. May select one or more secondary plan. Okay?
Yeah.
Which means your primary benefit plan plus additionally, what are the benefit plans here you have assigned, at least one needs to be selected. Okay? Which means this needs to be selected. If employee enrolling into this plan, it's mandatory they have to enroll into this plan also.
Okay.
Second one means must select at least one secondary plan, which means only secondary plans are allowed. Okay.
Only second.
Just a second. Correction.
I think both. If at all we have one more plan, any of the one we have to choose or something.
Right. Sorry, let me put in this way.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm explaining. I got message from my colleague. So first one is must select one or more secondary plan. One or more. If you assign five secondary plans, you can select one or more, up to you. Okay, but at least one. If you select the secondary option, must have at least one secondary plan. You must select one of the plan from this drop down in the secondary plan along with the primary. The last option is only one primary or only one secondary plan can be elected.
Okay.
So now our requirement is select either of the plan, but not both the plans. Which one is feasible?
401k should be.
401k. Perfect. So only one primary, either this or this can be selected, correct?
Yeah.
Right. Please ignore this one now. I will check and come back to this. Just check boxes.
Sure.
Any questions on this one?
No, it's clear.
Okay, select okay. Now we'll test this. We'll go to an employee. We'll go to Mr. Adam. Adam already have 401k, right? So Ashanti, you already report. Okay. To test this, we need to do some additional configurations. That is, create benefit event. Offerings are next one is commute. So what I'm doing is this coverage types I'm creating into one event type, only for testing, real time not required. Okay. Just for testing, I'm selecting this. Real time anyhow, we have dedicated benefit events created. Now quickly enrollment, edit enrollment event rule. map our rules here. Under which either RVS or commutable. Similarly, coverage rules. RVS. This is the event. Under this event, benefit coverage types means what do you call it? Where we are hiding these employee contributions, those values. Okay, then here RBS community. Then allowed benefit plan changes, can select any plan. Default to, as I said, we'll discuss in one special class, sorry, one unique class exclusively on this one, don't worry.
Sure.
But now good to test. Now only one plan should be allowed, not both the plans, okay? So, please. Benefits, change benefits, change reason, RBS. Select either. Two plans should be available. So I'm submitting. Ashanti Singh received. Price self. Let's get started. Enrolling. Oh, he already have that one. I'm enrolling into this. Continuing. Monthly contribution $100. Save. We need beneficiary as well. Adding beneficiary. Save. Oh, percentage. And one thing we have to remember, if you give less than 100, no, something, for example, let's give I give 80, you still get error because you strictly has to specify to Ashanti Singh, her whosoever beneficial dependent, they will get 100% of the savings.
Okay.
Now I'm reviewing and submitting. We should get error message. This is not our error message, I think. Let's see. Not this the one. Submit. It failed.
How did you get to know it failed, Kiran, in this case?
There is a reason. I will explain. Because one of the plans she already opted.
Okay.
What we are saying, if the employee enrolling both the plans at once, then we need to populate an error. She already enrolled into the plan. On top of that,
Okay.
we are what we're doing. We are selected only one plan. So now to fix this, what I do is I will resign this event. Business process. Why? Oh, so open enrollment. Where is the one? Resigned. Actually, you should give error message. Select either of the plan. That's all. It's not happened. So I'm saying confidently failed. Now we'll again repeat. Benefits. Oh, if she is doing self right, it may go for Ben partner now. This is going to be my next question. Any idea, ma'am, why she is not able to select RBS?
Security reasons, or I don't know. I'm
Security,
sorry.
good thought. No problem. Don't mind if I'm asking a question to help you just analyze.
Sure.
Yeah. This is
And
anyhow.
don't mind if I give silly answers.
No problem. So don't worry. So I will do start proxy. And I will give the answer also. Don't worry. First we'll go with our flow. What exactly we are testing.
Sure.
Benefits, change benefits. Let's get started. When you see manage here means she already having this plan. Okay. Now I will manage it. I will change it. So we add now, right? Okay. It's wave off. That's why I selected this plan now. Okay. The condition is here. Add now selected. Coverage, employee only. Okay. $75. Commit is changed. I'm selecting now. This also. Select, confirm. This is what I'm trying to show.
Okay.
Okay.
You can't select both.
Forcing you now to remove the commuter spending. Are you sure you want to remove the commuter spending because you are enrolling into 401k? Okay.
Yeah.
If you remove the commuter spending, then we are able to enroll into this plan. That's all. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now I will cancel it. I'm going to show other way. I cancel this event. Perfect. Now we'll make either of the plans should be mandatory. Okay, that also we'll try. So I'm going to select the same one, edit, cross plan, prerequisite. Can select and only one plan, select either. This is ours. Effective from, I'll just select second. I'm going to change this, ma'am. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the rule. Can select, actually both are same only, these two. It will let you allow to select mandatory, you have to select secondary plan. Okay. So what will select? May select one or more secondary plan, must select at least one secondary plan. This also works. If primary plan is selected, its mandatory secondary plan needs to be selected. But remember one point, if the first is selected secondary plan, this validation doesn't work. Okay.
I didn't get you, Kiran.
I
So
will
which validation?
So must select at least one secondary plan.
Yeah.
If they're selecting this, community spending also mandatory they have to select. Correct?
Yes. Yeah.
If the employee first selecting community spending account,
Okay, got it.
that doesn't work. It doesn't look for primary. Okay, that's what.
Yeah.
Perfect. Now let's see. Actually, when you're working for one Australian customer in my career starting and benefits especially, she's a PeopleSoft. She's from PeopleSoft. She doesn't know work. She used to ask people soft things. I used to explore in Workday. So
Okay.
I gave an opportunity to learn and become master in benefits. So I still
Wow.
remember Sarah, her name. So we should get such
She's
people.
lucky. Yeah,
Uh,
she's lucky. That's what I'm saying.
I'm also super lucky to work under her. Okay. Now we are going to test the scenario, ma'am. Same thing. Benefits. Excuse me. Change benefits. Then now Ashanti Singh has to select both the plans. Okay, it should give error message. We will see. Primary is 401k. So I'm selecting the primary plan as usual. Select, confirm and continue. Monthly contribution $100. Beneficiary designation, dependent, 100%. Now I'm saving this, ma'am. We are expecting Workday should give error message. Oh, you must also enroll into community spending. It's working, it's working.
Yeah.
The plan you have chosen requires an extra step. You must enroll into community spending it now. Okay, it's working. Now let's see. I'll just go ahead and review and sign on. Perfect. It's not allowing it. Okay, this is what, man. Either of the plan or both the plans. Okay.
Yeah.
Any questions from here?
No, it's clear.
Okay. Now let me also explain enrollment instruction. Enrollment instructions plays a very key role in at least in Workday benefits. How these will play a key role in Workday benefits? Because sometimes we may have to give certain instructions, okay, to the people who's ever enrolling into the benefit plan. Okay, like please enroll into the benefit plan on so and so day, or so on by the time so on so date. You can enroll your dependents, your child, something like that. So I want to give instructions and I want to populate instructions here itself. We'll take 401k. So let me do stop proxy. Now access the task, maintain enrollment instruction, general enrollment instructions. So under which coverage type you would like to populate these instructions? I want to populate under our retirement savings. Okay, select this. Add row button. Restricted to benefit groups. US regular salaried. Where is active employee salaried? Enrollment event, RBS 401k. Coverage. Did I create anything for RBS? Okay. Now what instructions you want to populate? So here we can give. Actually, here is policy, ma'am. I'm just giving some random help text. Okay.
Okay.
Simple. If anyone enrolling into the 401k, I want to display this one. Ma'am, give me one moment, please. Don't
Sure.
mind. Thank you. Sorry, ma'am. So done, and we can also highlight with colors if you think you want to make it more pleasing. We can select colors, bullet points, Italian, bold letters. We can add. Done. One point here we have to remember is Workday will give you group instructions, enrollment instructions here. Okay.
Okay.
Always we have to remember, if you give instructions here, okay, if you give instructions here, it will override entire benefit groups. What I'm trying to say, under retirement savings, you have 10 retirement plans available. If you give any instructions here, it is applicable for all the 10 retirement plans.
Okay.
Okay. Or each country you want to give different restrictions. Kindly don't maintain any details here. Okay.
Okay.
The reason why I'm saying no, people will by mistake they will give, later they will think like they will check here. Why these values are coming. Actually it's coming, it may come from here. So if we different group for India, US, different benefit groups, different 401k plans, different instruction, then you need to configure here.
Okay.
Overall, we need to configure here. Yeah. Okay. Now quickly we'll do a simple test on this one. Again, we'll go to some other employee, Norman job. Norman. Oh, he's in Canada. It's okay. We'll go December. So proxy account, enrolling. Now here you can see them.
Yeah.
So these instructions we can run. So before if anyone is enrolling into, they can read these instructions. And
Okay.
they will policies, company policies we can display before you're allowing employee to select. And this is our what is that? Cross-bond dependency. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Now the question, why now we're in Ashanti Singh account, right? Why Ashanti Singh herself not able to enroll into the plan? I will explain the reason. Let me run redaction, benefits, change benefits, reason. Sorry, not this one. RBS, either of the plan. See, ma'am, either of the plan is not available, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, why she is not able to select that event is, let me explain why.
It's not worker selectable or something.
Very good. I'm waiting for that answer. Excellent.
Okay.
We have not selected worker selectable. Okay.
Yeah.
Edit benefit event. RBS, either of the plan. Here you have not selected worker selectable. You select the checkbox, then only employee is able to select this. Let me check quickly. Now we'll proxy her account. Now she should be able to select the event.
Yes.
Right. Now let's also talk about electronic configuration, electronic signature configuration. Electronic signature configuration means it's just a checkbox before you are allowing anyone, they have to acknowledge. I read the condition, terms and condition of the company, and I'm aware of all the legal rules. I'm selecting and select the checkbox yes, and then submit it. It's a kind of electronic signature. You are accepting company policies. Some companies said this benefit plan can be removed at any given time. We are not giving guarantee it will be continue until you service with this company until this year. So it will be there, right? So we have to allow the employee to read. Okay, let's see. Let's see, ma'am, how we have to configure. Stop proxy. Access the task. Access the task. Enrollment. Electronic signature. Clear. This is a one-time activity. Sometimes, most of the times, I forgot. Maintain electronic signatures. So something like this.
Okay.
So we'll also create one for our forward. Add. Electronic signature name. Customer has to provide these values, no? But I'm giving randomly some text.
Okay.
Restricted country USA. So many are there, right? Definitely ours is not going to trigger. I will make it as default. Then only the one whatever we configure will be able to test. Later I'll change it. Now again going to Ashanti thing. Related action. Security profile. Start proxy. Okay. Oh, some plans are on hold. Okay, this is the one. Enroll. Select. On hold and all I will cover now during open enrollment. Don't worry. Let's go very basic at this moment. Beneficiary. Save. Under review, our electronic signature should come. Review and sign. Oh, this also we created, right? What it says. But I'm not selected in the event. You got the issue, you got the point now. What happened? We made it as mandatory, no? Select both the plans needs to be selected.
Yes, yes.
Now it's stopping me because with this event I can select only one plan. So that's why. Now not a problem. What I do is view profile. Cancel. Just so might be Ben admin she received. Okay. The other simple components. Okay. Tomorrow we'll start our healthcare plan configuration. Okay. Benefit event approve. Now again it goes to Ashanti Singh. She has to enroll. Oh, it went on hold. Let's get start. This is something different. Okay. You're signing. Now our event will be available, the one which initiated. Still on hold. Ma'am, on hold means if there's a business process already in progress, on top of that, if someone initiated, the previous, the recent one will go on hold. So that is the reason. So let me cancel this as well. She doesn't have access. Sorry, she doesn't have access to cancel either. We'll select. Camera. Looks like a sample data. Finding for the right test employment.
Okay.
Not it. Okay,
So this person is terminated, right? Kiran, though we can change.
No. Yeah. Some of the plans, if you enable Cobra, Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, we can do that.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, this testing can we continue tomorrow? That's simple only.
Sure.
Just we have to display the acknowledgement. Yeah.